On this episode of The Unexplained, we talk about Sloss Furnaces. Birmingham, Alabama, was founded in 1871, 5 years after the Civil War, and with it, the need for tons of pig iron to fix America's crumbling infrastructure. To satisfy the demand, Colonel James Willard Sloss started a construction business on Sloss Furnaces. A year later, the company opened its doors to hundreds of employees, according to its source. Working on the blast furnaces was an advanced job and was also very dangerous. The dangers soon realized as many workers started being incinerated in the furnaces and falling to their deaths. Conditions only worsened in the 1900s after crew foreman James Slag Wormwood took a job at Sloss. According to its source, Wormwood took a dangerous risk in order to increase production. As a result, nearly 50 employees died on site. Many were involved in terrible accidents. Allegedly, in retaliation, his workers tossed him into the furnace in 1906. You can still tour the grounds today if you dare. While there, you might just hear the voice of Slag telling his employees to get back to work, along with paranormal activities happening along the area. Thanks for watching The Unexplained. Please like, share, and subscribe, and join us next time for the more The Unexplained.